Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a share from a monthly kit that I received from the Stamps of Life. I'll be making 3 cards today from the inspiration card that comes in the kit. And I've already die cut it out the pieces, and I'm just assembling them in front of you. So this is from the Dreams set. It's a die, metal die with a cloud and the outline, as well as the word dream in script and the outline. And if you watch my previous video on this card kit, which is from January 2020, you'll see that I pre-cut all of these birdhouses out from the paper pad. And I did make these bows. I'm not very good at it, but I am adhering them with glue dots. I also cut that heart out of a Sizzix heart die, and there is the dream word that comes. The metal die comes in the kit. So yep, that's the first card. Very simple and easy. So on to the next card. And again, I use the stitch heart dies from. And then that sentiment came in the club kit as well. And also those flower rhinestones. So I'm just going to assemble the card really quickly. Just tying a bow on the not a bow, but just tying a knot around the ribbon. And then giving it fishtails, or I'm not sure what that is called, fishtails. And then I add double-sided adhesive on the back of the ribbon so it will adhere to the card base I have cut out. This was a pretty simple card, but I like the look. I like the colors. And it comes together very easy and quickly. And that's card number 2. And you see it has scallop edges. Mine doesn't have scallop edges. I don't have that metal die yet. So the third and last card, I don't have that frame in specific. I just have this 4-pane frame, so that's what I used. And when you cut the frame out, I save the inside pieces, and that's what I use to fill in the frame. Because it's double-sided paper, you can use the back side. And then I also got that word hello and birdhouse from the kit. They were chipboards that were included in the kit this month. I almost forgot to adhere those down. I was going to put the ribbon straight down on the card. I was like, oops, I forgot something. And so I just added the sticky tape to the ends of the ribbon this time because it's a sheer ribbon and I don't want it showing through. So here's where I'm adding the chipboard pieces. And then one of the little birdies that was die cut out of the paper from the paper pack. Just going to adhere it to the card base, and that will be card number 3. Yep, so I like how these came out. They're not exactly like the inspiration cards, but they're pretty close. So these are the cards that I made on this video. If you guys have questions, leave them in the comments below. I hope that you all are staying safe. I'm just pointing out the dies. And healthy shop.